BFUHS Recruitment 2020. So guys, you are watching here BFUSS issued recruitment notification. So let's check the details. A total of 2,984 vacancies will be filled uh, for this post. So BFUHS means Baba Farid University of Health Sciences. So the post under this vacancies: medical officer, dental, ECG technician, ward attendant, pharmacist, medical laboratory technician, multipurpose health worker male, multipurpose health worker female, radiographer and operation theatre assistant. So important dates: you can apply from 10th of August 2020 till 31st of August 2020. तो वैकेंसी पोस्ट वाइज फॉर ECG टेक्नीशियन 14 पोस्ट, फॉर मेडिकल ऑफिसर 500 पोस्ट, फॉर मेडिकल ऑफिसर डेंटल 35 पोस्ट, वार्ड अटेंडेंट 800 पोस्ट, फार्मासिस्ट 482 पोस्ट, मेडिकल लेबोरेटरी टेक्नीशियन 98 पोस्ट, मल्टीपर्पज़ हेल्थ वर्कर मेल 200 पोस्ट, multipurpose health worker female 600 posts, radiographer 139 posts, operation theatre assistant 116 posts. So eligibility criteria for ECG technician: persons should have passed the senior secondary part 2 examination with science or its equivalent from a recognized university or institution. Second, should possess a diploma in electrocardiographer from a recognized university or institution. For MO, MBBS, for medical officer dental, should possess a degree of Bachelor of Dental Surgery from a recognized university or institution, or any equivalent degree recognized by the Dental Council of India. Should be registered in Part A of the Register of the State Dental Council. For ward attendant, candidate must pass middle standard with Punjabi language as one of the subjects from a recognized educational institution. For pharmacist, should have passed senior secondary part 2 examination with science or its equivalent, and also should possess a degree of Bachelor of Pharmacy from a recognized university or institution. Should have passed a 3 months practical training in an institution approved by the Pharmacy Council of India set up under the Pharmacy Act 1948. Should be registered as pharmacist with the Punjab Pharmacy Council set up under the Pharmacy Act 1948. For medical laboratory technician, part 2 examination with science, physics, chemistry, biology or equivalent from a recognized university or institution. Second, should possess a diploma in medical laboratory technology of 2 years from a recognized university or institution. Third, should possess a diploma in medical laboratory technology of 3 years after passing matriculation examination with science, followed by 1 year work experience after diploma, or should possess a degree of BSc medical laboratory technology from a recognized university or institution. Note: preference may be given to those candidates having a degree of BSc medical laboratory technology from a recognized university or institution. For multipurpose health worker female, should have passed senior secondary part 2 examination or its equivalent from a recognized university or institution. Also should possess a diploma in multipurpose health worker female from a recognized university or institution, and registered as multipurpose health worker female with the Punjab Nurses Registration Council established under the Punjab Nurses. For radiographer, should have passed the senior secondary part 2 examination in science or its equivalent from a recognized university or institution. And second, should possess a 2-year diploma in radiography from a recognized university or institution. For operation theatre assistant, should have passed the senior secondary part 2 examination in science or its equivalent from a recognized university or institution, and possess a diploma in operation theatre technique from a recognized university or institution. So you are watching the link here for official website. So you can visit the link in the description box. I will given there the link. So you just visit the link and apply for this post if you are eligible. So guys, that's it.